After 13.4 billion years, a strange object holds the key to life. Scientists have observed something that turned the history of the universe upside down inside the super-red object JADES, GS Z14-0. The super-red object JADES, GS Z14-0, is the most distant, oldest galaxy ever observed by humans. Light from this galaxy has traveled a record distance to reach the divine eye of the James Webb Space Telescope, showing us an image of it 13.4 billion years ago, when the universe was only 2% of its current age. But that image has turned the cosmic timeline that humanity has written upside down. According to Sci News, the research team led by astronomer Sander Schouws from the Leiden Observatory, Netherlands, has discovered the most important key to life on Earth and possibly many other planets today, inside JADES GS Z14-0, oxygen. The existence of oxygen in galaxies may be normal in the present, but it was almost completely unreasonable at the milestone of 13.4 billion years ago. According to previously widely accepted theories, at that time, when the universe was only 400 million years old, it was still the Dark Ages, the period when no stars had yet been born to light up space. At that time, the universe was thought to be extremely poor in terms of chemistry, consisting almost entirely of hydrogen and helium. Heavier elements were thought to appear only after the first-generation stars were born and forged them in their cores, then died and released the elements into space, creating the raw materials for subsequent generations of stars to forge even heavier elements. The very existence of JADES GS Z14-0 seems to shatter these theories. The fact that it possesses oxygen is even more shocking. Astronomers still hope to capture oxygen from distant worlds, as it is one of the potential biosignatures, but not from a world that belonged to the cosmic dawn, the first billion years after the Big Bang. It's like finding a teenager where you'd expect a baby, the authors say. 2 additional observations using the ALMA Observatory in Chile also showed that JADES GS Z14-0 has about 10 times more heavy elements than expected. This finding suggests that it formed and matured very quickly, far beyond familiar cosmological models, adding to a growing body of evidence that the early universe evolved more quickly than we thought.